Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit lumilipad ang isang rocket kagaya ng rocket na ito? Ngayon, kung gusto nyong malaman ang kasagutan sa tanong na yan, tumutok po kayo at tapusin ninyo ang video na ito. Please like and share this video para makarating po sa mga estudyante na gustong mag-aral ng siyensya. Ngayon, sa episode na ito ay sasagutin natin yung tanong na why do rockets fly? Bakit kaya lumilipad ang mga rockets kagaya nitong Saturn V rocket na ito yung pinakamalaking rocket na nagawa ng tao so far, at itong rocket na ito ay nagdala ng mga Apollo astronauts sa buwan. Bakit kaya lumilipad ang mga rockets? Wala naman silang pakpak kagaya ng mga ibon or ng mga eroplano. Now, rockets fly because they follow Newton's third law of motion. So, kung naalala ninyo ang inyong physics, Newton came up with three laws of motion. The first law is the law of inertia. The second law is the law of acceleration. And the third law is the law of action-reaction. Now, according to Newton's third law of motion, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Ngayon, ano ang kinalaman nito sa paglipad ng rocket? Ngayon, sa loob ng rocket ay mayroong propellant or yung fuel. Ngayon, tong fuel na to, pag na-ignite ito sa loob ng combustion chamber na nasa loob ng rocket, ito po ay magpo-produce ng hot gases. Now, these hot gases are pushed backwards sa tinatawag na thrust. So, ang reaction ngayon ng rocket is that the rocket is pushed forward. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, ganyan po kaya ang rocket ay lumilipad because inside the rocket, yung propellant niya or yung fuel ay na-ignite so that will create hot gases sa loob ng combustion chamber. So, these hot gases are pushed backwards and as a result, yung magiging reaction ng rocket is that the rocket is pushed forward. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, in relation to the propellant, there are two general types of rockets. The first is what we call a solid-fueled rocket. So, as the name indicates, yung propellant niya is in solid form. This is similar to the fireworks or yung quitties or yung baby rockets na pinapaputok natin pag bagong taon. The second type of rocket is what we call a liquid-fueled rocket. So, as the name indicates, yung propellant niya is in liquid form, either liquid hydrogen or kerosene. Now, etong propellant na ito, hydrogen or kerosene, ay hinahalo sa isang chemical called oxider or liquid oxygen inside the combustion chamber. Pag yan ay inignite, it will produce an explosion that will produce hot gases. The hot gases are pushed backwards sa nozzle. So, ang reaction ng rocket, the rocket is pushed forward as the gases moves backward. So, again, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, that's how rockets fly. So, ayan po mga kasyensya, nasagot natin ang tanong on why do rockets fly following Newton's third law of motion.